This is a video of my garden. I haven't done one since they were inside, just starting from seeds. And part of that is because for a long time I didn't know what any of this was. And it's kind of just a huge mess. And I don't really know what happened. I have some theories. I think maybe birds were involved in how the seeds got started. Because there's tomato plants like everywhere. Like there's one right there. There's one in my little planter box. Like these were going to be flowers, and I've got a tomato hanging out in here. Also, my seedlings that I had inside, they did not do very well when I moved them out. I tried to do like a few hours a day, so I didn't shock them when they moved outside for good. And then we had like some hot days and then cold days, and I think they just basically still got shocked because those nice loofah plants I had, they died. Some of the tomatoes were started inside, but pretty much everything out here got started in the garden with a seed, and I'm surprised it's done so well because I haven't had good luck with that in the past. But I'm going to show you what's out here if I know. So those are cucumbers, those are cucumbers. This row right here is tomatoes, which I do have it in cages, so it's pretty obvious. And then like there's a tomato right here. I don't think I did this. I don't know what happened. I also planted a bunch of seeds out here and then forgot what they were. So yeah, that's nice. I think there's just cucumbers, more tomatoes right there. That might still be cucumber, but I think I planted some pumpkins here. I don't have a green thumb, for anyone wondering. This garden was here when I got here. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is my second year. And it's definitely overcrowding. I might need to cut some of this out. Right here is a pumpkin. More tomato just getting in the way. I'm probably going to need to cut it so it's not so overcrowded. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a pepper plant. I'm not sure. I hope it's not a really big weed. I don't think it is just because of how it looks, but wouldn't be surprised. So this is a pumpkin plant too, and again, some tomatoes mixed in there. And these right here, I just figured out today they're watermelons. Or, I mean, if you know better than me, tell me, because see that green thing right there? I know it's not a cucumber because it doesn't have thorns, and my cucumbers last year had like thorns, and it's just not looking like a cucumber plant. Like it's not vining. So I also thought these might be cantaloupe, but I'm pretty sure now they're watermelon, unless cantaloupe starts out green too. I don't know. These are some kind of bean. White flowers. And this one is too, and more tomatoes. Some cilantro. Don't know what that is. That right there, I think it's some kind of herb. Don't remember what I planted. That's a surprise. Maybe more cucumbers. And then somewhere in here, oh, I stuck some green onions out here. These are just like some that we bought at the store, and then I just planted them. I don't really know much about that. And right here, I thought I had a pepper plant somewhere. I don't see it right now. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Could have died for all I know. Alright, I think this is a pumpkin, just based on the leaf. It starts right there and it goes all the way over here, so it's kind of taken over. More tomatoes, and then as you can see, the ones in the cages are the ones that I actually meant to be tomatoes. Some of them are starting to get little green tomatoes on them. I don't see one right now, else I'd show you. Yeah, so this is my garden this year. What a mess. If you know what any of this stuff is and I'm wrong, you can tell me down below. That would be so nice.